He spread the news, guys. If you're not already following me on Flip, make sure you are. I've already partnered with Flip to send out at least almost over 1 million free gifts to anybody who is truly connected to you. Welcome to the Nash House by Dami. That's right. Listen, it is a true promotion that they're doing. I've already sent 2 free gifts to people. Yes, I paid for them. They are on me. And I hope that you like them. Make sure you visit our website, welcometothenashhousebydami.com. Scroll down to the bottom and click on See My Desired Gift so you can follow us on Flip too, and I can send you a free gift of your choice. I love you, cousin. To the moon and back.